Groups across the country rallying Friday saying employers should not have to pay for their employees' birth control. It's a controversial measure, the so-called contraceptive mandate, and it's set to go in effect later this year. Liam Martin has our report from one protest here in mid-Michigan.
Is it an issue of religious freedom?
Congress shall make no law.
Or of a woman's right to health care? Those in Howell brandishing flags and anti-abortion signs say the contraception mandate is an attack on their religious liberty.
This is far beyond health care. This is far beyond contraception. This goes to the very core of our values, the First Amendment right to free exercise of religion.
The law requires employers to provide birth control coverage to female employees. President Obama has said some religious institutions will not have to provide or pay for it, but their insurance companies will. Opponents don't see that as a compromise.
It's really a fraud of a compromise. It's still doing exactly the same thing, violating the right to religious liberty.
But proponents of the mandate say allowing some employers to deny birth control coverage to their workers amounts to religious tyranny.
For those who are not as financially advantaged, they're in effect going to be denied access to that contraception.
And MSU professor Leonard Fleck calls the moral exemption a slippery slope.
For example, there may be a religious group that is especially offended by individuals who have become HIV positive, say as a result of homosexual relations, and so they don't want health insurance to pay for these extraordinarily expensive drugs that individuals who are HIV positive need.
The president has given religiously affiliated organizations an extra year to adopt the changes. In Howell, Liam Martin, Fox 47 News.
Recent polls have shown most Americans, even Catholics, support the contraception mandate.